Hi, we're the Viger Feeling. For the past 6 months, we've been living in our unpredictable home on wheels, travelling beautiful locations, exploring scenic hikes and experiencing wonderful cultures. We invite you to join us on our journey as we adventure too. Hello YouTube!
We made it to Wales!
We made it to Wales!
We're in the Brecon Beacons.
Brecon Beacons, we're in Llyn Fan Fac area.
It is our favourite mountain so far in South Wales.
Yeah.
It's a couple of reasons. It's absolutely beautiful. It's a lot quieter than other places.
Yeah, Wales can get really busy sometimes,
yeah.
especially on weekends.
And it's an average easy hike. Once you get up the top, beautiful views, and it's not exhausting to get up there. I say that and I'm puffing and puffing with my weight, but it's absolutely beautiful. It's our first mountain hike in Wales and we're really excited to show you how beautiful it is. Which is the highest part of the Llyn Fan Fac area. It was a nice little hike we did. It wasn't too long, about 2.5 hours maybe. It's just nice just to do a little one before we start heading up to some bigger mountains. The weather has changed a little bit. We're glad we've got our big coats.
Yeah.
Because the Welsh weather goes from really hot, we were sweating earlier, now we're freezing cold.
Yeah. But yeah, no, it was a really good little hike, wasn't it?
It's so beautiful. Beautiful with the lake below us. And
yeah, I mean, if you live in England or if you think about travelling to England, we would really recommend this mountain just because it's quite quiet and yeah, it's nice and peaceful.
Yeah, we haven't seen many people.
No.
It's lovely, just being out in nature.
Exactly that.
We're walking down from Llyn Fan Fach and we were saying how great it was. We could be outside in nature and we've got our solar panel and everything's working. And then we went to turn the gas on for the boiler and it just wasn't doing anything. We thought maybe it's super cold. I'll wait till the morning, warms up, and in the morning we tried again and nothing at all. So we've had to book our boiler in. All the other gas is working, our fridge, everything is working apart from our boiler. So we've got that booked in for a whole week, but we're rushing around. We haven't showered for 2 days, just pretty gross, but that's van life for you. So we've had to book in to a motorhome park for 4 nights while we're waiting because we need to wash, obviously. It's just another thing. It's just another thing that's gone wrong. I know in a lot of our movies we show how amazing everything is, but sometimes things just really don't work out. But we're staying somewhere for 4 nights and it's a really lovely area. I think we might hire some bikes and do some other bits, but there's not much we can do. So this is what happens when we come to a campsite. We charge everything. All of Mike's drone batteries, camera batteries, the GoPro, the watch, like anything you could name, we charge. They love us when we come to campsites. This week we've swapped our motorhome for a 1980s American school bus. Let me show you around. The inside of this bus has been designed by an English company, which we thought was great. When you first come in, you have a really big, spacious living area. And over here, we have a log burner. So you just pop your logs in, and about half an hour, the whole thing heats up. We love how big this kitchen is. I can twirl around. And the wood that they've picked out is really beautiful. If you wanted to bring kids here, they'd have so much fun. Bunk beds. What kid doesn't want to sleep in a bus? And we found here, we have a really large wardrobe area. We can hang all of our clothes, put anything away that you don't want to look at the time. And this is the biggest bed I've ever stayed in my whole life. It's so comfortable. The bus was filled with quirky and retro touches. Hilary was a fantastic host, making us feel welcome and always around to help. Over the past few years, we've been fortunate enough to stay in so many unique places, from hanging dragon's eggs, moon conkers, and eco houses on top of mountains. Out of all of these, the Wild Things Big Red Bus is very special. If you're interested in staying here, please follow the link below. It's freezing cold. It's just started raining, but we're gonna get in the hot tub. Mike's put a lot of logs on and we're gonna go brave it.
I'm gonna leave my hat on.
It's really freezing. Cold. There's snow everywhere, but we're gonna jump in. And it's so nice because we've got snow around us. We've got the red bus behind us. Oh, it's so nice. It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
It must be like maybe 0 or -1 out, but we are super warm.
It is like snowing and raining a lot still, but who cares?
Yeah, I think this might be our favourite place we've ever stayed.
Yeah, definitely.
It's amazing. We made it to the National Show Caves. They're really cool. We won't give away what the little secret is inside one of the caves, but we've been here before, haven't we?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a lovely place.
Yeah, but as you can see, we've got some lovely Welsh weather today.
Yeah, it's good that we're actually going to be inside a cave rather than out
Hiking.
here. Yeah.
So if you ever do come to Wales, please make sure you bring your waterproofs, because you will get wet.
Definitely.
The Danograph Caves held a beautiful natural secret until 1912, when the Morgan brothers discovered them. With only candles, ropes and a revolver, they explored many parts of the canal. Most parts of the cave could only be accessed by professional cavers, but the parts open to the public are stunning. I got eaten. The park hosts many fantastic life-size dinosaurs for all ages to enjoy. I forgot how much fun it was coming here. The dinosaurs are absolutely amazing. Some of them move. If we had little kids, I would bring them here in a second. Isn't it nice? The National Show Caves has been voted one of Wales's top attractions. Also along our journey, we hiked to a secluded mountain, Dragon Fall. As Wales is famous for its notorious weather, large cairns are placed at the top to help prevent hikers from getting lost. We visited Tintern Abbey next to the River Wye. The original structure was made by monks in the 11th century. By the 1300s, it was rebuilt into a British Gothic masterpiece. After hundreds of years, the abbey structure started to crumble, but still attracts thousands of visitors each year. The Melancourt Waterfall is a great hidden gem in the Brecon Beacons. In full force, the two waterfalls can be seen. Whiteford Lighthouse was erected in 1865. It is the only lighthouse in Britain made from cast iron that is still standing in water. When the tide is low, the lighthouse can be accessed by foot.
So it's around 5 o'clock. We're about to set off to go up Pennyfan Mountain because we're going to catch the sunrise, which we've done once before. Said it was actually going to rain today, but we took our chances, got up early. Skies are clear at the moment, see the stars quite well. So yeah, we're going to get up this mountain in the dark and
Try not to make a mess in the motorhome.
try not to make a mess in the motorhome. That's an odd way you're pouring that in, darling. Yeah, and then show you the sunrise. See you there.
So almost made it back down now. Gonna go back to Loons to get some food.
Yeah, it was freezing up there. I don't know what it was, minus something, but it was minus.
Yeah.
Like even my lips are still cold now, my hands are still cold. It's usually a really great walk, but it's a bit too cold to stay up there. But you can do a longer walk at Pennyfat, and I think we might do that at the time we are in Wales.
Yeah. The wind was just pouting us in the face.
Yeah, the drone just about managed, didn't it?
Yeah, it was. It had a lot of warnings come up, but yeah, just about managed to show you guys some footage.
Yeah, we just wanted to get a really nice sunrise. I might try it again on another mountain maybe, but we'll see how it goes. So, try not to fall.
Yeah, so we're really hungry now, so we're gonna go get some food. See you later. What are you up to, Charles?
I'm boiling my water to have a shower. So unfortunately we don't have a boiler anymore. So we have to boil our water on the stove, pour it into a lovely bucket and have a sponge bath. We have got a quote for the boiler, but it was absolutely ridiculous, of £5,500 from Big V Campers. So we decided not to go with them because we don't have that kind of money to spend. But we have talked to Trauma and they've given us a very reasonable quote. The only problem is it's not till May, which we can wait because we'd rather spend less money. We have found this movie quite hard to film because we have been back to England about 4 or 5 times, mainly because of the boiler, but also a few other things haven't gone according to plan. But we have enjoyed it. We love Brecon Beacons and we love Wales so much, and we're really grateful for you guys to like and subscribe and continue watching our adventures. The next place we go to we are keeping secret because we don't want to jinx it, but we're really grateful for everyone watching, liking and subscribing, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and we will see you in another continent.